How to make highlights on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Instagram application and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now go to the interface from where you can add story on Instagram. Further, go ahead and add a story that you want to make highlights of. Now, make the necessary changes on your story like adding stickers, music, etc. And further tap on the Your Story button and wait for the story to upload. Once uploaded, you will see the option for highlight on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on that and a pop-up will appear. Here, add a title for your highlights such as travel, food, or workouts. Once you have added the title, tap on the add button, and with this the highlight will be added to your profile. In the other pop-up, tap on the view on profile option in order to be able to view the highlight on your profile. So, this is how you can make highlights on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.